Hey, what's going on, guys? Eli here. It is Thursday, April 13th, about 9 a.m. Pacific, a couple hours after the market opened. And I mentioned a few days ago that we wanted to close out our DIA trade. So I wanted to just kind of hop in and do that for you guys and show you that live. Even though most of you guys are kind of used to, closing trades and why we actually choose to close the trade that we're in. But I'll just, go ahead and explain this trade for you live. So market is, was moving up and then had kind of a sharp down move right here. And you can see in DIA the same thing. It opened and moved up, and then now it kind of has fallen off. So what we're going to do here is there's DIA. We're up about 45 bucks on the trade. This was a directional trade, and as you can see on the chart, all we had to do was kind of stay below 211.14, and we have done that. And the best part about this trade is we opened it on March 24th, which is about right here, and DIA has pretty much stayed flat, and we're up 45 bucks. So that's the power of trading options. Is this was a directional trade, but all it did was stay flat, and we still made money. So let's go ahead and close this one out. It's trading for, right here you can see the trade price where we sold it at, and then you can see the mark price at 73. So let's go ahead and try and close this for 73 or 74. When you're buying a spread back, you want to pay the least amount possible. When you're selling to open, you want to collect the biggest credit possible. So we're going to try and get filled at 73, even though the mid is at 73 and then the nat is at 75. So we could probably get filled at 74 right away, but we'll try and get filled at 73 and see what happens. So I'm going to click confirm and send. See, we got our order in right here, working at 73, and my guess is it's not going to close or not going to fill. Oh, all right. Well, I was wrong. So we filled at 73. Cool part about this trade is, that DIA really didn't do much but stay flat, and we still made about 47 bucks on this trade. So actually 45. So not bad. So we got filled at 73. So what you can see, let me show you this. We got filled at 73 cents. So typically with verticals, we like to close around 25 to 50% of max profit. So let's see where we were with DIA. So we'll do 1.18, which is what we sold it for, minus 0.73, which is what we bought it back for, 45, which is exactly our profit. So we made 45 bucks on this trade. So now we'll do 45 divided by 118. So we made 38% of our max profit on this trade. So kind of right in the middle of what we typically look for, 25 to 50% on these verticals. Just because they're a directional play, we want to kind of, when we put these on, we are looking for a directional move. In this case, though, DIA just kind of stayed flat. We didn't really get a down move, but we still were able to take a nice profit on this trade. So you can see up here now, DIA is closed, 73 cents is what we paid. So that's a live closing trade in DIA for you guys. And the reason why we decided to take this off today was because we were up about 38% of max profit. And then, we just happened to be watching the markets and seeing this fall off right here. So, once this is going in our favor like this, that's when we're going to see our profit on the day moving up, because like I said, we need DIA to stay below this line. So the lower it moves down below 211.14, the more money that we're going to make. So that's why we decided to take this trade today, guys. Most people will ask, why don't you hold till 50% or even 100%? And the reason is because, your average daily return significantly decreases when you hold your trades too long. So we like to, take profits quickly, and I tell you this every video, but, you take the quick profits. Not only increases your average daily return, but it also increases your winning percentage. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope it was helpful. Talk to you later.